Crime Family, this is Heather. Remember, we are doing our toy holiday drive. For every toy that y'all match, we are going to donate one to match that. Today is December 2nd. Right now, we did a total of 29 toys, but I want to count it with you guys. And remember, with every toy that you donate, you'll be entered in the drawing for either a $100 gift card or a TV. So keep that in mind. Let's count these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And then over here are all the toys that we match, which is 29 toys exactly for that. So remember, every toy